5 Best Vacuum for Laminate Floors and Pet Hair Reviews. Number 1. Shark Rocket Deluxe Pro Vacuum. This product is the top vacuum in our list. The top rank doesn't come as a surprise since it combines style and functionality. As a result of that, the product not only looks great but operates effectively. It is a lightweight product to ease its use and guarantee the customer's maximum comfort. In addition to that, it is readily available in the market today at a surprisingly friendly price. Take your cleaning to the next level with this product. Shark Rocket Vacuum features a simple but effective design. It is compact to ease its use, portability, storage, and management. These items are available in 2 colors. Consequently, you can choose your most preferred color. Number 2. TAKINA A11 Hero Cordless Vacuum. Pets are amazing animals to have in your house since these animals eliminate loneliness, especially if you live alone most of the time. However, maintaining cleanliness is not a bed of roses, especially if you are missing a vacuum for laminate floors and pet hair in your house. Are you thinking of purchasing a vacuum for your house? If your answer is a nod, then this is the ultimate product to purchase. It is the best cleaning tool to have when dealing with laminate floors and well-embedded pet hairs. The product features a nice design, construction, and most importantly, delivers excellent services. Get this item today for a new and better experience.
Live easy, enjoy life.
Number 3. Alife V5S Pro Robot Vacuum Mop Cleaner. Alife Production Company is popularly known for coming up with great products featuring fresh and amazing technology. Since time immemorial, technology is one of the best industries since it makes life bigger and better in our daily lives. When it comes to the cleaning department, Alife Production Company presents this digital robotic vacuum for laminate floors and pet hair. It is an automatic cleaning tool that uses fresh technology to clean laminate floors and get rid of pet hair and different surfaces. Make floor cleaning easier with this high-tech vacuum that delivers high-quality services. Number 4. Miele Complete C2 Hard Floor Cleaner. To leave your laminate floor sparkling clean and free from pet hair, get a vacuum for laminate floors and pet hair. And what better product to purchase other than the Miele Vacuum Cleaner? This product eases hard floors cleaning by deriving amazing services. Miele manufactures combined style, amazing design and operation. Consequently, the cleaning tool looks great and performs amazingly. Take your indoor cleaner to a whole new level with one of this Miele vacuum for laminate floors and pet hair. Miele Vacuum is a blue cleaning tool with a simple but efficient construction. It features an amazing blue color that easily combines with multiple home decors. The machine is a 1200 watts product that is gentle on hard floors and output the spotless floor. Number 5. Bissell Power Edge Pet Hardwood Floor Cleaner. Cleaning hard floors is hard and frustrating, especially if you are dealing with a big house. Why not, when you take forever to clean the house and still not leave the house spotless? However, you can kiss goodbye to all these cleaning problems with the vacuum for laminate floors and pet hair. The machine is not only easy to use but also deliver excellent services. This cleaning tool is from the Bissell manufacturers. It features a sturdy handle that eases its operation and to guarantee cleaners maximum comfort. The compact size also helps in its management and portability. In addition to that, the price is friendly for all to purchase.
Oh.